Hi, it's Mr. Qualls, and right now what I wanted to do was talk to you about how to make two perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect each other perfectly with same angle on each side of the intersection, 4 right angles. And it's pretty easy to draw it if you know how to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a straight line. I'm just going to start with a line, and what I'm going to do is I want to draw a line that's perpendicular to this. So I am going to use the idea that we have used before of a circle being defined as all points equidistant from a known point. So here's my known point where I have my compass sitting. Okay, and I have a number of pages on top of each other so that this thing doesn't slip. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mark a line over here on this side, and I'm going to turn it around without drawing my circle to the other side. Now what I have is I have a point in the middle that I know, and I have 2 points that are equidistant from those points. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand my compass, and sometimes I like to do this. I'll make it just as wide as those two are apart from each other. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is if I could make a point that was equidistant from these and equidistant from these, and it was on either side of this, I could draw a line through here and it would be a perfect intersection. So, like I said before, I'm going to measure this, and now I'm going to use these new spots as my centers of my new circles. And I'm going to mark a spot on this side and over here, and now I'm going to go to the other and do the same thing. Spot here and a spot here. And really what we have now is if we were to draw a line from here to here and back, what we have are triangles that are isosceles with these 2 lines being the same length. And that creates a situation where these have to be equidistant. And if I take this ruler and I put my pencil down first where these intersect, and then I bring my ruler up to meet it, and I do the same thing down here so they both look the same. Now when I draw this line and I pull this away, what I have done is I have created a perpendicular intersection. That's it.
This has been a Q Diggity production.
Oh, that was